Hello everyone. In the first video, I present about the topic teaching, and I present about all about concept of teaching, meaning of teaching, definitions of teaching, definitions, and nature of teaching. Now, in this presentation, I am going to teach about what are the functions of teaching. Okay, now going to the functions part. Functions of teaching, there are three functions. One is diagnostic, one is prescriptive, and another one is evaluative. So, what is diagnostic evaluation? Uh, Diagnostic means that as a doctor diagnoses the disease first, then the prescribes the medicines for the cure of the disease, and finally he studies the effects of the drugs on the patients and the treatment if the responses of the drugs is not positive. Similarly, a teacher, independent variable teacher, is also goes through these processes in the classroom. He diagnoses the learning problems of the student, then he suggests some remedial measures, and finally he evaluates the behavior of students to know the effectiveness of his measure. So, in prescriptive function, in remedial function, teacher tries to bring desired changes in the behavior of pupils. Here the teacher is more active. He has to work for the meaningful interaction. He makes the decisions regarding the use of teaching methods, strategies, and tactics, and mutual relationships between various, keeping in view the individual differences of the pupils. Cooperation of students is also important for carrying out the prescriptive function by the teacher. Now, what is evaluative function? This is the third important aspect of teaching. This function is concerned with the task of finding out the process and outcomes of teaching process. Here, the diagnostic and prescriptive aspect of teaching is evaluated. The criteria of evaluation is the achievement of the objectives. If the objectives are achieved, the remedy by the teacher is correct. In case the results are contrary, necessary changes are made in the teaching learning process to get the desired results. Some another functions of teaching are next slide. Some other functions of teaching are creating learning situation, motivating the child to learn, arranging for coordinators which assist in the growth of the child's mind and body, utilizing the initiative and play urges of the children to facilitate learning, turning the children to creative beings, inspiring children with the nobility of thoughts, feelings, and actions, giving information and explaining it, diagnosing learning problems, making curriculum material, evaluating, recording, and reporting. These are the some functions of teaching. Now, the concept we studied about the functions of teaching, concept of teaching, meaning of teaching, definitions of teaching.